This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the proper wire diameter and cutting a short length with 6 to 8 inches extra. This gives working slack. Thread the wire through the first fastener hole and hold tension with pliers. Then bring it to the opposing hole or anchor so the wire will pull the fastener tight when twisted. Once routed, make a single securing bend so the wire can't slip. This first twist sets the orientation for the final wraps and prevents loosening during the main twisting step. Now you perform the main twist. Hold tension and use a twister tool to create 6 to 8 twists per inch so the wire locks without work softening. While twisting, keep the wire aligned so it applies a constant pull that tightens the fastener heads toward the thread. Avoid sharp bends that concentrate stress and can break the wire. Once one side is finished, route the tail neatly under adjacent wraps and ensure paired fasteners receive opposing pull directions so the safety wire prevents rotation both ways. Finish by trimming the tail close to the final wrap and bend the last 1/4 inch back under a wrap or make a single tuck. This prevents snags and safety hazards. Then inspect each assembly. Check twist density, no loose slack, smooth ends, and that wire size matches spec. If you find a broken or frayed wire, stop and recut a fresh piece. Do not attempt a patch. Troubleshooting tip: if the wire loosens after twisting, remove and redo with slightly higher twist rate and proper tension to restore security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.